Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back. Today in this video for the subject basic thermodynamics, in the topic properties of pure substance, we will see how phase change occurs. Now here you can see the phase change or the intermolecular bonding of this a pure substance. You can see you can guess this because this phase will be it is having a systematic arrangement, that is solid. Again the molecules are random but still interconnected with each other, so which justifies this is a liquid, and these are the random motion of molecules, that is in the gaseous phase. So the molecules will move from one direction to other in a randomized manner, and this happens because the internal energy from this phase increases and it forms liquid. Again when you add more heat, the internal energy will still go on increasing and it will break, or what we say, the intermolecular bonding will break and it will get converted into a gaseous phase. So and that we also called as the that temperature as the saturation temperature, and there is a change of phase. So from solid to liquid. So again liquid to vapor, that is sensible heating, it will absorb the sensible heat. Next again we heat it at latent heat, we add more heat, that is at constant pressure, which is called as the heat of vaporization or hidden heat. And still if you a point will come where you achieve a temperature which is called as the saturation temperature, where this liquid and vapor phase will get converted into dry saturated steam. The same thing is explained here in this diagram. You can see this is the state 1 atmosphere and 20 degrees Celsius. So you are adding heat. Again from 20 degrees to 100 degrees Celsius, it is absorbing the sensible heat and it will reach a temperature which is called as the saturation temperature, and it will now, in simple words, it has absorbed sufficient amount of heat and will change the phase now. So the molecules can no more remain in that phase and it will change the phase and it will convert into liquid plus vapor phase. So that is called as hidden heat. And again if you add more heat, that is the hidden heat, it will attain a temperature called as the saturation temperature. You can see now these two conditions, that we have one condition of steam at 1 atmospheric pressure and temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So what we also say, that is the boiling point. But now we have added more heat and the condition achieved is temperature is 300 degrees Celsius but the pressure is same. So this is constant pressure heating, but now here you can see it will get converted into liquid plus vapor form and it has now already got converted into superheated steam, and that is the difference. So the same phenomena TV, that is temperature volume diagram. Now at for example assume this is heating at 1 atmosphere. So this is constant pressure heating. So here liquid will attain the sensible heat or it will attain the saturation temperature and it will get converted into liquid plus vapor form. So this phase is liquid plus vapor form from 2 to 4. So point 3 is anywhere between 2 and 4, which is liquid plus vapor, and still if you go on heating, it goes in the superheated region, right. So this was for 1 degree or 1 bar pressure. So if you are doing it for 25 bars, again the same thing, you can, the first 1 to 2 point will be here, 2 to 4 point will be here, and the next. So again 50 bars, it will come like this, it will come like this, constant pressure heating, it will go like this. Similarly 100 bars, for example, again 180 bars, for example, and a point will come where you don't get the liquid plus vapor phase, directly it will get converted into the superheated phase. So this was all regarding the formation of steam, some basic concepts. These are the references. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.